So in this easel tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to duplicate an image here on easel. So the first thing you have to do is open up the easel application, then obviously go to the right hand side of your screen, press on images to add an image into your design. So I'll just use a stock image for this demonstration. And how about I use this image right here of what appears to be like a bunch of different postcards in a shelf, just like that. So if you want to duplicate this image, it's fairly straightforward. The simplest way, I'll just make it a little bit smaller so I can duplicate the image and have two of them in the one screen here. The simplest way to do it is just go on your keyboard and press Command C if you're on a Mac, and then Command V, and it actually duplicates it over top. So if you just drag the top layer, you now have the exact same thing twice. So that's the simplest way to do it, is just through your keyboard on your device. Now, another way you can do it as well is to just press on the image right here, go to the top little bar right here, top left, press on this option right here, it says duplicate, press on that, and it does literally the exact same thing. So fairly straightforward, but that is how you guys can duplicate an image here on easel. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.